Hi guys, it's me Reagan, and today I'm doing a room tour. So I just moved in here and I'm all moved in. I'm pretty much decorated exactly how I want it to look. So I wanted to show you guys how everything is, what I've done with the place, and where I got everything. I'll tell you guys, just to show you guys around. So let's get into the video. Here is the back of my door. Has all of my purses on it. It's a little messy, but as you can see, I have a lot of Disney purses. Next to it is a Mickey Mouse hanger that I have my cute Disney masks on. And then right next to my door, the left of my door, my grandfather actually made this, but it was redone by my cousin. And I bought the knobs for it at Target. I really love the knobs. Picture that I bought from Maxx, or actually I got it as a gift a couple years ago. Moving to the left, here is my closet. On the front of it is a gift I got from D23. This year they sent out a gift for the 2020 membership, and this was included. There are a bunch of different cities that have to do with Disney cities within the movies. So I'll show you up close. They go really well with my room decor. Show you. They're vintage looking. Looking inside of my closet, this messy place, just have my clothing shoved in there and my shoes thrown on the ground. They're somewhat organized, but not at the moment since I've been wearing a lot of different ones. Kind of just put them back randomly. So going to the other side of my closet, here is something I got from my cousin. I repainted the entire thing. There's the rest of my clothes. This is a dresser I got for free. I found it in the last place I lived, the apartment. It was in there when I moved in, along with the wallpaper that is on it now. So I redid it. My friend helped me, but I had the idea to put the wallpaper, it's a sticky wallpaper that you'd probably buy at Target or Walmart, and I put it along the whole thing. So before it was just a really old dresser with ugly hoop knobs. To the top, this I got from Maxx, or actually I got this from Home Goods, their sister store. I have my One Direction perfumes and my Armani perfume that I got from the Golden Globes. This came with a makeup kit that my mom gave me as a present. Right above this dresser, I have this really cute picture of Marilyn Monroe. I got this on sale at Blockbuster when they were closing a couple years ago, or more than a couple years ago. I think when I was in 7th or 8th grade, something like that. Moving to the right side of my door, I have this ottoman that I got from Maxx. Picture frame that I got from Blockbuster as well. I love Audrey Hepburn, and I didn't put it on my wall because there wasn't any room, but I also actually really like how it turned out sideways. It goes nice with the color. You guys have seen this record player before, but I got it from Amazon. Keep it on the bottom shelf here, and next to it are my vintage Disney records. And I have some scripts here, some screenplays. And above it is this really cute vintage typewriter that my grandma gave me. And I also put this Sprinkles bag that, if you've been to Sprinkles, you know that they give it with every purchase. It's where you can put your cupcakes in. But I really liked the way it looked, so I just put it in here. I have a vintage camera that I got while thrifting. And I have some vintage Nancy Drew books that my mom got at a yard sale. I have a really cute picture I got from my work. Somebody was throwing it away, so I just kept it. It says, Cinderella never asked for a prince. She asked for a night off and shoes. Right next to that area, I have this desk that is actually my mom's. I'm using it for the purpose of keeping my TV on it. I have a lot of vintage stuff on it, and so I'll show you that up close, but underneath it, I have this really cute trash can that I got for $5 at TJ Maxx. I have this really cute vintage looking popcorn holder, and that's from TJ Maxx as well. I use it specifically to hide my Alexa. I don't like the way it looks, and so I wanted to hide it there. A vintage Mickey, another vintage Mickey glass with Mickey and Minnie on it. And then I have a vintage teacup, a bunch of pictures. I have a vintage mitt, some vintage books like Little Women. Those are my mom's. They were given to her from some ancestors, so they're just some vintage books. I have this very cute picture frame that my mom framed this picture that was in a calendar, and it's Mickey. On top of there, I have a vintage recording device. It's Motorola, cute ball jar, mason jar, and a vintage Mickey lunch pail, a vintage camera, and a vintage snow globe with Disneyland, the Disneyland castle there. So over here I have a really, really cute and vintage sewing machine. I love this, and it doesn't really work because it's so old, but it's just so cute and goes with my room decor. This was made by my grandfather when he was in junior high, and it was resanded down recently, and I put the same knob that was on my dresser from Target. I put one of them on here. This right here, this cute chair, I actually got from a yard sale, friend's yard sale. My parents got it for me. My Anne of Green Gables books are right here. This is a speaker that I got for $5 at Target. This is me and my friend. And this frame was refinished by me. I used a Sharpie to color the whole thing and draw on it. Here's all my favorite books, to All the Boys series and Fault in Our Stars. And then I got that figurine, the Paris figurine, the Eiffel Tower, for $1 at Target. Moving on, there's my guitar and my ukulele. I got the ukulele at the guitar shop, and I got the guitar at a local shop. And you look back, there are my curtains, which we got from TJ Maxx. They're darkening curtains so that the sun doesn't come through. Turning this way, I got this hamper from TJ Maxx, and this chair is from my great-grandparents. I repainted it, and me and my mom refinished the fabric. We put the fabric on a couple months ago. And there's a vintage-looking Mickey and a Mickey and Minnie that I got from Disneyland. This lamp my dad got for me from a local auction. This photo here is a poster, and I got it from my D23 gift for 2020 as well. This picture frame, somebody was throwing it out at my work as well, so I grabbed it. And the glass actually broke from it, but no problem, because I actually put a special type of rolling tape on the back of the poster, and it fit perfectly. Last but not least, here's a rug that I got from TJ Maxx as well. Moving up, I got this striped blanket from TJ Maxx in New York, and I got the other blanket and pillows and bedspread, just everything else, the sheets, the pillowcases, all came in a pack from the local TJ Maxx, and it was a great price. I really love this. It's so cute. And above that, I got this photo from TJ Maxx. It was on sale. I felt like it was me carrying a bunch of boxes from shopping that say London, Paris, New York, and that's totally me. So I thought it would be great to put above my bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe, comment down below to say what you'd like to see next time. Bye!